G'day viewers, Jeff from McPhee's Gardening. Over the next few weeks we're doing up this old garden, creek beds, and what I plan to do is give you a running commentary and showing the progress week by week. So as you can see, this is sort of the situation we have in old garden, overgrown, tired. We want to expose this creek bed to highlight the beauty of the property. This is a spring-fed creek. It's never dried up in 60 years. Beautiful water, so healthy there's even rainbow trout that I noticed before. As you can see, what we've got to do is clear all the tree ferns, all the undergrowth and all the rubbish. And what we've done now, we've made into day 2. Here's what we've done so far. We've started to expose the creek bed, our little pumping station for our water system. Second week of winter, wisterias we've cut back, slashing all the bulbs and blackberries away from the creek, exposing the creek area. As you can see, we've got plenty of nice, beautiful spring water. And this has taken a while, raking, slashing, cutting back, deadheading all the fronds of the tree ferns. And as you can see, we've got to go right up through this. Probably goes up for probably 500 metres or so. Goes up to a large dam for a big waterfall, which will expose. You'll see that in the coming weeks. And I'll sign out now and see you next week. Bye.